Anthropic has announced the release of Claude 3, a family of AI models with the potential to upset GPT-4. It has outstanding potential, but is it ready to take Chat's crown? What is Claude 3? Claude 3 is a family of 3 multimodal AI models developed by Anthropic to replace its Claude 2 series of AI models. You could say Claude 3 is Anthropic's answer to Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-4. Released in 3 versions, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus, in their increasing order of intelligence, Claude 3 is Anthropic's first multimodal AI model and represents a significant leap from the Claude 2 series. Now, if you've never heard of the Claude AI chatbot, it's understandable. Claude and its underlying models do not enjoy the superstar status of Chatgpt or the brand appeal of Google's Gemini. However, Claude is undoubtedly one of the most advanced AI chatbots in the world, outperforming the much-vaunted Chatgpt in several key areas. To really appreciate Claude 3, it's important to look back at the failures of the previous models. Earlier iterations of Claude had a reputation for an overzealous approach to AI safety. Claude 2 safety features, for instance, were so tight the chatbot would avoid too many topics, even those with no clear safety issues. There were also issues with the model's context window. When you ask an AI model to explain something or, say, summarize a long article, imagine it can only read a few paragraphs of the article at a time. This limit of how much text it can consider at a time is called the context window. Earlier versions of Claude came with a 200K token, equivalent to 150,000 words, context window. However, the model wasn't able to practically deal with that much text at a go without forgetting chunks of it. There was also the issue of multimodality. Almost every major AI model has gone multimodal, which means they can process other forms of data like images, and respond to that data, rather than just text input. Claude wasn't able to do so. All 3 issues have now been completely or at least partly addressed with the release of Claude 3. What can you do with Claude 3? Just like most cutting-edge generative AI models out there, Claude 3 can generate top-notch responses for various queries across different fields. Whether you need a quick algebra problem solved, a brand new song written, an in-depth article drafted, code written for software, or a massive data set analyzed, Claude 3 fits the bill. But most AI models are already good at these tasks, so why use Claude 3? The answer is simple: Claude 3 isn't just another AI model that is good at these tasks, it is the most advanced freely available multimodal AI model you can get anywhere on the internet. Yes, there is Gemini, Google's much-hyped, supposed GPT-4 killer that performs impressively in benchmark tests. However, Anthropic claims Claude 3 outperforms it by an impressive margin on several tasks. While benchmark results are something we should often take with a grain of salt, I put both AI models to the test, and the superiority of the Claude 3 model in several important use cases was very clear. So, Claude 3 lets you do most of the things you can do with Gemini and GPT-4, minus image generation, without having to pay the $20 subscription fee for ChatGPT Premium. Claude 3 versus ChatGPT. A quick way to test the performance of an AI model is to check how well it stacks up against the best in the market, GPT-4. Of course, I put both models to the test. How well does Anthropic's Claude 3 stack up against the colossal GPT-4? Check this out in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.